This is video 2 about the profit machine and my review after a week of using it, so you can see if I made any money. I will be honest, this system is revolutionizing the way that you are doing affiliate marketing and making money online. I will briefly show you the system. There will be a link to my other more detailed review in somewhere on the screen right now, so you can go check it out and make sure to come back to see my results after a week of using this amazing product. When you opt in, you will have a $1 trial for 7 days. After that 7 days expire, it costs $37 a month. If you buy a lifetime for $127 though, then you will not pay a monthly subscription and you will use the program and get the commissions for life. So step 1, you can join the private Facebook group. I will show it real quick. It's very active, around almost 5,000 members in 2 weeks, so it's really hot. And now I think is the time for you to go in. You can buy for $1 the trial and try it, and you can get some results. So there are 4 steps, like I said. Step 1 is get started. You can pay $1, then you can buy lifetime for $127, but you don't have to do that. If you don't buy a lifetime, I'm repeating, you will pay $37 a month. Step 2 is a so-called supercharge. This is totally optional. For $249, you can supercharge your system, and you can then promote 4 additional products and become affiliate of them. And of course, there is a course behind it. You can then use your own funnel, your own web to promote this. But if you want to start quickly, you just go through these 4 steps, and you don't have to have a following, but you need to have some money, because if you don't have a following, you cannot promote this through the free content. You then have to buy some traffic. I will show it in a moment. So in the step 3, you will become an affiliate of this particular product. They are paying, if you don't supercharge, they will pay 30% first tier commission and 10% second tier. So your affiliates, you sell something, you will get 10%. And of course, the step 4 is where you actually learn how to use solo ads, which is using other people's email list to promote your product. I got very good results with some of the vendors on Udemy that Jonathan Montoya and Thomas Garetz, which are behind this program, are recommending to use. The best guy is called Glenn Federuk. He also has, and you can get that in the description, so all the solo ads link that I also tried and recommend will be in the description, and also the Glenn's famous buyers buy X traffic, which is a bit more expensive, but those are like full buyers. 97% of them buy. What you are really here is to see my results. So this is my results. I got 1,300 clicks. I bought around 500. The others are, I have a lot of followers, so this is more from my other social media accounts and everything, YouTube and everything. I got 325 referrals. So these referrals are now in the email list. I don't use my own funnel for this, so Jonathan and Thomas will follow up with them, so many of them will probably become a customers. And I got 15 customers. Some of them are already in the recurring phase, where I earn around $11 for a monthly from one customer. And this is my unpaid earnings so far. So as you can see, this is working really nice. I urge you to go in. This is an early phase before it's too saturated, and try to buy your first 200 clicks. It's around, I think, $125. So for $126, you could start making money today with no following and you will probably learn something. You will learn how to use solo ads. And if you cannot afford that, you can always go the free content way, where you are simply creating long form content like this video, which is a review, or my sharing your results, or similar videos on TikTok, or you can make like a short form video and put it on 5 platforms: TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest Idea Pin.